Welcome back everyone. You may be in a position where your Xbox chat isn't working, whether it's in the Xbox Party app, whatever the case is. Now, typically why this may happen, it can happen for really an endless amount of reasons, but the first thing I would recommend doing is making sure that your network connection is set up properly. So you want to make your way over to your Xbox settings, or you can even make your way over to any other device that you have that has Wi-Fi enabled, and you want to see if your specific device's Wi-Fi and your Wi-Fi connection in general is working. So go to any other device, go on your Xbox, try loading up some other apps, and if everything that requires Wi-Fi and internet connection is working, then you can pretty much verify that your internet connection is not the problem. Now, for some reason, if all of your network connections on all your devices isn't working, then your Wi-Fi connection may be the issue. So you want to connect to a better signal, connect to a better whatever it requires, and that's pretty much the main thing I would recommend looking at. That's one of the most common things that happen. Now, on top of that, let's just say for some reason your specific Wi-Fi connection and network settings are perfectly fine, but it's not working still, then what I would recommend doing is actually going through and seeing if Microsoft and Xbox in general is down. Now, what does that mean? Well, essentially, sometimes Microsoft, and specifically with their Xbox division, obviously, their servers go down and maybe they're trying to fix something on the back end or whatever the case is. So really all you have to do is make your way over to the comment section of this video or videos like this, just in case this video doesn't get that many views. And you want to sort the comments by the most recent comments. So there's a little option that says, sort by recent comments or whatever. And you want to see how many people are commenting at the same time. If a ton of people are commenting at the same time saying, oh, who's all here? Xbox is down for you too. And I would recommend you guys to leave a comment as well. At that point, you should be able to get a gauge of how many people and how many Xboxes are down. And if a lot of people are commenting at the same time, then you can pretty much guarantee that Microsoft and their Xbox servers are down, and it's not just you. So what can you do at that point? Well, pretty much you just have to wait it out. There's really nothing you can do per se. You just kind of have to wait these things out until Microsoft fixes it on their end. So ultimately, those are the main things you can do. If that still doesn't fix it, I would recommend either updating your Xbox or updating your specific apps that you're using. And that can be another way that you can go ahead and fix this specific situation as well. So that's pretty much it. Those are the main things to do in this specific situation. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.